Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase Advanced. First, ensure you have a standard Coinbase account. You can then easily access the Advanced platform directly from there. Next, complete any necessary identity verification steps to increase your trading limits, which might be around $25,000 daily. Finally, fund your account using a bank transfer, debit card, or other available options to begin trading. Now let's navigate the interface. The dashboard provides a clear overview of market trends and your current holdings. Choose a cryptocurrency pair, like Bitcoin versus US dollar, from the trading view. For your first trade, a market order is simplest. It executes immediately at the best available price. Just enter the amount you wish to buy or sell and confirm. Beyond market orders, limit orders allow you to set a specific price for your trade to execute, offering more control. Stop orders help protect your investments by automatically selling if the price drops to a certain level. Coinbase Advanced uses a tiered fee structure, meaning fees decrease as your trading volume increases, potentially from 60% down to 0.05% for higher volumes. Coinbase Advanced offers robust charting tools for detailed technical analysis, helping you make informed decisions. Always prioritize security by enabling two-factor authentication on your account. Regularly review your transaction history and download statements for tax purposes or record keeping. Remember, understanding these features will empower you to trade more effectively and securely on the platform.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.